Hello everyone, welcome to Bambatha Kamancuza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka kwithonga kusukela ngoMsombuluko umhla 5 May 2025 kuya ngoLwesihlanu umhla ka9 May 2025. NgoMsombuluko umhla ka5 May 2025, uThulisile water project collapses. Can she find a way to fight back? Pablo tightens his grip on the community, so no one's there to challenge his rule. NgoLwesibili mhla 6 May 2025, Sanele defies Pablo. No wonder puts fear into Ayanda's matric dance date. In his frustration, Pablo says too much to Makhumalo. NgoLwesithathu mhla 7 May 2025, Pablo finally confesses his love. Sanele receives an unexpected update regarding a new project. NgoLwesine mhla 8 May 2025, Manele make his present known to Sanele in the midst of his new big project. Lungelo's world tightly a little when the devil finally comes to collect on a favor owed. NgoLwesihlanu mhla ka9 May 2025, Lungelo is forced to do something that will compromise Thuli. The unexpected happens as the Magwaza. Ngiyabamba lapho ungakhohlwa ukucindezela notification bell nokusubscribe noma ushiye umbono wakho. Bye.